Do you know many people are having trouble with scanning and printing documents with their Pantum P2502W printer? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Set printing preferences. Set your printing preferences on the Pantum P2502W to match your requirements. Step 2. Place document on scanner. Place the document you need to scan on the scanner bed of the Pantum P2502W printer. Step 3. Select and start scan. Using the printer interface, select the scan function and begin the scanning process. Step 4. Save scanned document. Save the scanned document to your chosen location on your computer. Step 5. Edit scanned file. Open the scanned file on your computer and make any necessary edits or adjustments. Step 6. Print edited document. Print the edited document by selecting the print option and following the on-screen instructions. By following these steps, you should now be able to scan and print a hard document effortlessly using your Pantum P2502W printer. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Pantum users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.